My name is GHFP-II, and I am from Cooperstown, New York. I'm a Master's of Public Health student at the University of Michigan.
My name is Rebecca Cedillo, and I'm from Sunnyvale, California. So I am studying nursing at the University of California in San Francisco.
My name is Nikhil, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I study biostatistics and epidemiology at the University of Southern California in Los Angeles.
My name is Alex Shurg, and I'm from DC area. I study Masters of Science in Public Health at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill.
My name is Salamowit Desta. I am from St. Croix, the U.S. Virgin Islands.
My name is Michael Melchior, and I'm from Miami, Florida. I studied public health and earned my doctorate in health promotion at Florida International University.
I applied to this internship because I wanted to work in a capacity where I could affect international communities.
I also want to do something that is analytically focused, and this internship gave me a chance to really get my hands into some data.
I really wanted to get a better idea of where the HIV/AIDS field really was right now and where it's going. USAID plays such a big part in deciding the research agenda.
I had zero experience in government. I've never worked in government before.
I wanted to gain more experience in HIV research and see how that worked in a government agency.
Normal day as an intern starts off with me at home, figuring out how I'm going to get to work in the morning on the bus.
There is no normal day, I don't think, because there's so much movement. You're at Ronald Reagan sometimes, you're at the National Press Building, and a lot of times at meetings. So it's hard to describe a normal day.
Lots of brown bags where you can just hang out with leaders in the field and see what they're doing in terms of their research.
So I'm working on a project that's doing HIV combination prevention in Tanzania.
So you have a really packed day, but it's really, you get to learn a lot every day and meet a lot of great people.
The work atmosphere here is very relaxed because everybody's approachable. So whether it's the division chief or my direct manager, I can just approach them and talk to them.
I think it makes it really nice. It feels almost like a home away from home type atmosphere rather than kind of a cold and dry atmosphere that you can get at some other organizations.
My on-site manager is, I think with all on-site managers, they're really wonderful people and want you to make the most of the experience, but they're not micromanaging you. They trust you to do the work.
They just do a good job with, taking care of their interns, but understanding that we're here to learn as well as to do a job.
With the internship, I never expected that I would be writing a chapter for a book to be published by the World Bank Organization.
I thought it was just going to be a filer, a clerker of someone.
It's not hectic, it's not deadline oriented, it's very you get to do what you want, really decide your project with your OSM and then move forward.
It's been refreshing to kind of have my perspective be really respected amongst my colleagues just because I bring something new and different to the table.
Jen Kirk is the career counselor for us. We meet with her to discuss our internship, how we're doing with it, and also go over our resume.
You think you have a really nice resume and she'll just tear it up and make it really, really amazing.
All the career advice that they give you, the feedback, they look at your resume and that professional development. I didn't realize how much a part of the internship experience it was.
Navigating USAID is pretty tough.
Everything has an acronym. People just make up acronyms while they talk and you're like, what is going on right now?
About the third week, you'll run off a sentence to someone and it sounds odd in your head when you think back again because you've used all the acronyms that you've heard.
I think I would be lost if not for the great people who work here. Working with the other interns is really fun. It's a really dedicated group of people.
The intern group is really good this year. Everybody's amazing. People have experiences from all around the world.
We also tend to get together outside of the internship. So while we work during the day, we also hang out with each other at night.
It's really cool because they really pick a diverse bunch of people that have totally different experiences professionally and personally.
Kind of helping each other out, knowing each other's expertise, and being able to call on each other when we need assistance on a project.
And it provides a great model for how global health services should be provided to have many different fields working on the same issues.
And even the interns who don't work in my division still have a lot of good feedback and good background about the type of work that I'm doing.
I expect to be mentored, to develop my own technical skills.
This internship has really shown me a different side of public health that I've never seen before. I've always seen the research side or on the field, but I've never seen in terms of program management, program development.
And it's amazing because I'm networking every day with these people who are the movers and shakers of how reproductive health worldwide, which is so awesome.
I still have a long way to go in my graduate program. I have about 4 years left, so as I'm moving through all of my classes and dissertation and research, it'll be something that I keep at the forefront of everything that I'm doing.
How to interact with people in the field and the different agencies out there to implement these programs.
When I graduate, hopefully I'll have an opportunity to be a fellow.
It's a tremendous opportunity, and I know it's going to open doors, if not at USAID, then somewhere else where they see that I've worked here and the weight that carries.
There are even random people who I've met on the plane. When I tell them that I work for USAID, there's kind of almost like a little light bulb that goes off in their eyes. And I think it's a great opportunity to kind of get your foot in the door for pretty much any career path that you're looking into after USAID. One word of advice that I would have to people who'd be applying for the internship would be to think a little bit outside of the box about the experience that you bring to the table.
Don't leave off stuff that you don't think is important because it might be important to the team here at GHFP.
Don't be intimidated. Don't think that you can't get it.
So ask questions back to your interviewer and show your engagement and your interest in the topic.
I think they look for people who are truly passionate.
My OSM said one of the biggest reasons he hired me was because I seemed flexible.
But y'all are going to do great. So, good luck.